Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing the new MagSafe compatible Ekster wallet. It has 2 slots for cards, and we'll show you how this works right now. It has the specified magnets built into the bottom. So here's the bottom part of the wallet. It has the nice Ekster logo right here. And we have a see-through iPhone 12 Pro Max clear case with MagSafe magnets. And as you can see, it attaches right to the magnet very quickly. I'll show that to you one more time. There's 2 sets of magnets here, right there, and it's good to go. As you can see, it's magnetized. You can move it quickly. It doesn't fly off, and we're doing it very quickly, no flying off. So that's very good. And then we can take it off here, and as I said, you can store cards in it. So here's a card I have for 24K Media, which is myself. So there's 2 card slots here, and even if you get it orientated wrong, it's still stuck to it. But if you move it into the right position, the secondary magnet takes over, and of course, it's very sturdy with the case. So this is with the case. You can also do this with the iPhone 12 Pro Max or the iPhone 12 line that has the MagSafe compatible magnets included. You can find this on Ekster. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.